Yogini Ekadashi. Yogini Ekadashi falls in the month of Ashar during the Krishna Paksha as per the lunar calendar, and in between June or July as per the Gregorian calendar. This Ekadashi significance is stated right from Bhavishyottara Purana, Vishnu Purana, Skanda Purana, and Srimad Bhagavad Purana. Yudhishthira Maharaj, the king, the Pandav king, asked Shri Krishna, "O Supreme Lord, I have heard the glories of Nirjala Ekadashi, which occurs during the light fortnight of the month of Jeshta. Please, I would love to hear from you about the Sud Ekadashi that occurs during the dark fortnight of the month of Ashar. Please kindly describe to me in detail, O Madhusudan." Shri Krishna replies, "O king, I shall indeed tell you about this Ekadashi. Famous as Yogini Ekadashi is, it removes all kinds of sinful reactions and awards supreme liberation. This Ekadashi delivers people who are drowning in the vast ocean of material existence and transports them to the shore of the spiritual world. In all the three worlds, it is the chief of all sacred fastings. This is revealed in the history and recounted in the Puranas. The king of Alkapuri, Kuber, the treasurer of the Devas, the demigods, was a steadfast devotee of Lord Shiva. He employed a servant named Hemali as a personal gardener. Hemali, a yaksha like Kuber, was very lustfully attracted to his gorgeous wife Swarupvati, who had beautiful, enchanting eyes. Hemali's daily duty was to visit Mansarovar lake and bring back flowers for his master Kuber, which are used in puja offerings to Lord Shiva. One day after picking the flowers, Hemali went to his wife instead of returning directly to his master and fulfilling his duty for the puja. Now, absorbed in the affairs of the bodily nature with his wife, he forgot to return to the abode of Kuber. O king, while Hemali was enjoying with his wife, Kuber had begun the worship of Lord Shiva and discovered there were no flowers ready to be offered in the midday puja. The lack of such an important item, Upchar, angered the great Koshar, Yaksh, treasurer of the Devas, even more, and asked Yaksh, messenger, why has Hemali not come with the flowers? The Yaksh returned and told Kuber, "O dear Lord, Hemali has become lost in enjoying with his wife." Kuber became angry at this and summoned Hemali before him. Knowing that he had missed his duty, Hemali approached his master in great fear. The gardener paid his obeisance and stood before his master, whose eyes had become red with anger. So enraged, Kuber cried out to Hemali, "O you sinful rascal, destroyer of religious principles, walking offense to the Devas, I curse you to suffer from white leprosy and to become separated from your beloved wife. Only great suffering is deservedly yours. O low-born fool, leave this place immediately and go back to the lower planes to suffer." Hemali fell at once from Alkapuri and became ill with affliction of white leprosy. He awoke in a dense and fearful forest where there was nothing to eat or drink. He passed his days in misery, unable to sleep at night, and remembered the reason for this condition. After wandering here and there over the mountains, summer and winter, he came to the great Himalayan mountain and by great fortune came in contact with the greatest saint, Markandeya Rishi, the best of the ascetics, whose duration of life is said to extend to 7 days of Brahma. Markandeya Rishi was seated peacefully in his ashram and looking effulgent as a second Brahma. Hemali went up to him and offered his obeisance. And Markandeya Rishi saw him and called him. "What have you done? What sinful deeds to earn this dreadful affliction?" Looking at the leprosy effect, Hemali painfully replied, "I am Yaksh, servant of Lord Kuber. My name is Hemali, and I neglected the offerings for the puja as I was lustfully, passionately engaged in bodily pleasures with my wife. And I was cursed because I failed to deliver in service. I come up to you by good fortune, for I know you are as merciful as the Supreme Lord, Bhaktavatsa, and you always carry the interest of others in their hearts. Please help me." Markandeya Rishi replied, "As you have told me the truth, I am going to definitely help you." And Hemali fell on ground in gratitude. So Markandeya Rishi told him to observe the Ekadashi fast, and with its influence he again became a handsome Yaksh, where he returned home and lived happily with his wife. Lord Shri Krishna concluded, "As you can see, Yudhishthir, fasting on Yogini Ekadashi is powerful and auspicious. Whatever merit one obtains by feeding 88,000 brahmins is also obtained simply by observing the fast on this Yogini Ekadashi. For one who fasts on this sacred Ekadashi, the Ekadashi Devi destroys heaps of past sinful the action and makes him pious. O King, I have explained to you the purification of this Yogini Ekadashi. And that is the glories of Ashad Krishna Ekadashi, Yogini Ekadashi, from the Brahma Vedic Purana. And as all Ekadashis go, this Ekadashi with the fast is also the observation of singing the glories of the Lord and offering in charity to the needy and donations as per one's capacity. Most importantly, the rituals offering to the Lord Vishnu on this day, it increases faith and love for the Lord, and it fulfills all the wishes and provides luxuries in life and leads one to Swargalok on this Ekadashi. And people who observe the fast on this day will also be able to eliminate the problems and difficulties in a successful manner. Observing the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.